Are you experiencing CE-106487-6 on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. You mostly get error CE-106487-6 while downloading and installing a game or game update. So when you get such an error, ensure you are connected to a stable internet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can contact your local service provider for help. Method 2. Change the Wi-Fi. Next, you can change the Wi-Fi frequency bands. This error indicates that the PS5 console is having trouble connecting to the PlayStation network or maintaining a stable connection. Go to Settings, then select Network, then select Settings. Next, select Set up Internet Connection. Select your Wi-Fi network and press the Options button. Choose Wi-Fi frequency bands and manually select either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz based on your needs and distance from the router. Method 3. Restart the console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor bugs and errors that can be responsible for the issue. To do so, press the PlayStation button on your controller. Scroll down to Power and select Turn off PS5. Wait for the PS5 to completely turn off. Unplug the power cable from the back of your PS5 for about 30 to 60 seconds. Plug the power cable back in and turn on your PS5. Method 4. Check for updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then select System Software section. Select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest updated file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 5. Rebuild database. Next, you can rebuild the database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in safe mode, which should take about 5 to 8 seconds. Connect the DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller. Then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller and follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 6. Reinstall the game. Next, you can uninstall and reinstall the game on which you are experiencing the error. To uninstall a game on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the problematic game and select the Delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Next, reinstall the game from the Play Store and check. Method 7. Contact support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing error CE-106487-6 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions solve your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.